guys, it's Micha from Project Spiral. We're here in Ghana, approximately 6 kilometers from the city center. You can see the Ghana is a really special place. Also the whole Slovenia. We got really nice semi-wild countryside right in the middle of the urban jungle, so let's check it out. See here. You can see deer in Ljubljana. Everywhere searching for new sprouts. Digging the roots and shoots like here. Let's check it out. If you can find some real footage for you guys. Well, here you can see a real beauty. That's also quite a good treat. The roots are a dessert specialty. Tastes a little bit like almonds. Now this is a wild animal trail. Okay, it hasn't been done by humans, hasn't been used by dogs. So we are on the right track. Let's go. Well, this states that it's a private property, and this stand is being used for beehives. So it's a beehive stand, and here states that if you're in a vicinity of a beehive and bees, you do that on your own responsibility. And thank God it's not being pinned down, but used as a wire, which is a little bit better, because the spruce tree is pretty old and it won't get eaten up. Ah, it's still fresh, nice. Okay, so this is one of the abandoned locations in this national protected area. Let's go on. Okay, shooting range for the bow and crossbow. Now we have to be careful here. Let's go around. There we go, there we have it. A deer on the outskirts of Ljubljana. Okay, we've been spotted. Let's try to get a little bit closer. There are two, okay. Free. Okay, let's not disturb them. This is their ground. Bye, my lovelies. So deer almost in the city jungle, 30 to 40 meters away from the walk path where dogs are being walked safely. Little wild country. Come and join us. New York has Central Park. Ljubljana is a Central Park in the wilderness. So come visit us. Visit Project Spiral channel, Facebook page with updates on all the different programs we do in the urban and wilderness areas. Bye bye. Like us. Enjoy.